Hi and welcome to Soael Art. I'm Sonia and thank you for joining me on my floored art journey. Since this is my very first video, I'm going to share just a little bit about myself. I started acrylic pouring as a fill-in hobby when I injured myself playing basketball. I am still on that journey a few years later and I am actually back playing basketball. Hopefully this video will teach you something new and inspire you. So stay tuned as I get pouring and make a creation as unique as you. And here is the dried result. Wow, look at that gold explosion in the middle. So, looks good. It's complemented by all the other colours surrounding it. Really happy with how that's turned out. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments section. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. God bless and see you in the next one.